Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Ted Baker Advent Calendar for 2021. Now, I did do one last year and I was very impressed with it, so we're going to go in with this year's. This one was £45, so same price as last year's, but I have to say, I think the packaging looks stunning this year. So we've got this black Ted Baker box and it's got a gorgeous rose gold logo on it. It's got this gorgeous colourful like blocks on the bottom of it, and on the back, just as usual, it tells you everything that's inside. But I haven't looked at it because I wanted this to be a complete like first reactions video basically. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump straight into it. I will just quickly say as well, I did purchase this from Boots. So let's open it up. So this is what it looks like inside. So we've got some numbers and some of them are like written in text, if that makes sense. But I think the packaging again obviously reflects the outer packaging. Beautiful. So yeah, let's go straight in with number one. So number one's this one up here. And this is what it looks like. Oh, in number one, what a great start of the calendar. So we've got this gorgeous headband. It's got the little Ted Baker label in there. That is so pretty. So it's this gorgeous baby pink, and honestly it feels so soft, like beautiful. I feel like for a proper like pamper day, or if you're gonna even do like a face mask or something, I can imagine having this on. This is lush, so soft. It's like a little fleece like material. So I'm gonna go in with number two, which is this one here. Let's have a little look. In number two, we have the Raspberry and Orange Blossom Body Lotion. Now, I have to say, Ted Baker had a bit of a rebranding with the beauty products. This happened a short while ago, but basically I was always buying the shower gels, and then they stopped doing all of the ones that I would use basically, and they came out with some new ones. So I haven't actually tested any of these new products that they've released, which makes this calendar even more exciting. So yeah, so this is Raspberry and Orange Blossom. I have to say, I love the vibrant packaging. I'm just gonna put a bit on my hand. I have to say, scent wise, it's not too overpowering. It's like a gorgeous, I can definitely say I can smell the orange. The raspberry's definitely more subtle, very hydrating and soft on the hand. I know this is body lotion, but I'm just popping it on the back of my hand. Really hydrating actually. This will be great for in the winter. Then I'm going to take number three, which is just this one down here. I think we have a beauty product. In number three, we have a mini bronzer palette. So it is a blusher, a highlighter, and a bronzer. So this is what you get. Oh my goodness, look at that. So you get your blusher, your highlighter, and your bronzer. How good is that for a mini palette? Like, so good. And you get a little mirror inside, which has got the plastic on. There we go. Very impressed with this so far. Should we have a little look at what the highlighter looks like? I feel it would be rude not to. This is what they look like. So the highlighter is very subtle as well, and so is the blush actually, but I do feel like you could build these up more. That is just one swipe, but beautiful. Then let's go in with number four, which is this one here. In number four, we get a little bottle of dry shampoo, and this is Rose and Cassis. How cute is this packaging? Honestly, I'm absolutely vibing off all of these products so far. But a little dry shampoo bottle, again, perfect. You can't go wrong, can you? Then let's have a little look at number five, which is this one here. In number five, we get some cuticle oil. Again, we did actually get one of these in last year's calendar, but I feel like, especially in the winter time, this is perfect. Because let's be honest about it, I feel like, especially your hands, they do get very dehydrated and you do need a lot of lotions and they need a lot of TLC. Then let's take number six, which is this one here. In number six, we get this gorgeous lipstick. And let's have a little look at the shade. So this is what it looks like. So you've got the T logo just embossed on the top there. It's this gorgeous shade of brown, but I feel like it's a very light brown. This just shouts autumn to me for sure. I love the rose gold packaging against the navy. Then we're going to go in with number seven, which is quite a big one actually. It's this one here. This is how big number seven is. In number seven, we get a violet and bergamot body spray. It's just this clear see-through bottle. And let's have a little spray. Oh, I feel like you can definitely smell the rose in it there, but again, it's not overpowering at all, which is lovely. Oh, that is really good. I love this smell, so good. Then let's take number 8, which is just down the bottom here. In this one we get a gorgeous roll-on scent. So this is the rose and Cassis again. This one smells a little bit stronger than the spray. I feel like probably because it's a bit more concentrated, but really, really gorgeous scents. This is one thing I would definitely say about Ted Baker scents is I feel like for not everyone, but a lot of people, I don't want to say everyone, but I feel like if you have a smell of them, they are just incredible, like all of them, and they're such an everyday scent. So if you just want to pop something in your handbag, or if you're going to work or anything, if you're going to some kind of like event, then I feel like putting them in your bag for a little spritz up after you've like done your perfume or whatever is. Then let's take number 9, which is up here. Now tell me if I'm wrong, but does anyone else lose tweezers? Like, it's a joke. And I actually still have last year's Ted Baker tweezers because they are gorgeous. First of all, look at these. Like, I know they're just tweezers, but I feel like they're so bougie. Like Ted Baker tweezers. But yeah, they're really sturdy, not flimsy at all. And like I say, I've still got mine off last year that I use. Then I'm going to take 10, which is just down the bottom here. We have this gorgeous lip gloss. Now, if you know me, you'll know that I love a good lip gloss. This is the colour of the lip gloss. I think that is beautiful. Again, a very much everyday kind of colour. I love it. Really, really pretty. And it's also not tacky at all, and I feel like it's very soothing on the lips as well. Then let's go in with number 11, which is this one here. In this one we have the Raspberry and Orange Blossom Bath and Shower Oil. Again, stunning packaging. I feel like obviously if you love these scents and you've used the Ted Baker products previously, then you're going to be in love with all of these. Again, a gorgeous scent, and again, as I've said before, with it coming up to winter, I mean, I know we're in autumn, but the weather in the UK changes so drastically. In number 12, we've got another quite big one. This is what number 12 is. In number 12, we get this gorgeous Ted Baker purse. All the packaging reflects the advent calendar, the gorgeous rose gold, and a rose gold zip as well. And this is what it looks like inside. It's just got little T's for the Ted Baker. A perfect little pocket size purse. This is so adorable for sure. Then number 13 is down here. It's actually a really small one. I feel like this one's probably the smallest of them all. This is how little it is. And in this one we get a Violet and Bergamot Moisturizing Eye Mask. So this says Unwind and Indulge in Ted's Moisturizing Violet and Bergamot Under Eye Mask, delicately scented with notes of shea flowers, soft berries and creamy woods for a refreshing finish. Very recently I've started up like a little face mask box, and it's got like loads of face masks in it, and under eye and little eye masks, just loads of little, it's like a little bit of a treat me bit box. So when I'm having a day where I kind of want to just come home and just relax and have a bit of a TLC night, then I definitely go to that little box and put my little, get a little face mask out. So I feel like that will be definitely joining the rest of them. Then in contrast with the smallest one that I've just opened up, we have number 14, which is one of the bigger ones. So this is what this one looks like. And are you joking? Oh my goodness. In number 14 we get a hairbrush. So it's this black hairbrush, and it's got the rose gold Ted Baker logo on, and on the back it's a baby pink with all the bristles. This is so good. So again, this is perfect for just putting in your bag and just giving you your hair a little touch up. Can you hear the rain? Oh my goodness. Then let's take number 15. In this one we get a Violet and Bergamot Body Souffle, which again is absolutely perfect for this time of the year, and it just comes in this gorgeous baby pink little pot. Then I'm going to take number 16. In this one we get a Raspberry and Orange Blossom Mask, and I have to say the face masks by Ted Baker are unbelievable. I love these ones, and I love the Garnier ones. Like, they're like my top 2 favourite ones. They're all super moisturising, very hydrating, so if you do have dehydrated skin or it needs a bit of a pick-me-up, it's a bit tired, a bit sensitive, I would 100% recommend the Ted Baker sheet mask, and they'll make your skin feel so hydrated afterwards. This one says that it's fragrance with the opulent orange, zesty lemon and golden raspberry notes for a positively pampering pick-me-up. Then let's take number 17. You're not going to believe what's in 17. We've got some false eyelashes. Look at those. I mean, I would say that we don't get any lash glue in with it, and I feel like they could have maybe put in like a tiny little bottle, maybe, but still getting some false lashes in an advent calendar. And this is what they look like, just so you can kind of gauge the length and volume. I have to say, Ted Baker have upped their game this year, like massively. Even though last year's was so good, this year's even better. Then let's take number 18, and we get some violet and bergamot hand cream. I'm just going to try and rub this in. Again, a stunning scent. And again, very moisturising. Then let's go in with 19, which is actually quite a big box, I have to say. This one here. And in this one we get the Raspberry and Orange Blossom Body Wash. Again, stunning packaging. Then let's go into number 20, which is this one here. In this one we get a gorgeous cuticle pusher. So I feel like, again, if you're doing your nails, this will be perfect with cuticle oil. Then let's take number 21. In 21 we get a makeup remover pad. So it's this gorgeous little round makeup pad. Very, very soft. Again, like almost like a fleecy material. And then we've got the gorgeous pale pink around the outside, a little trim. It has got the label for the Ted Baker on there. I know a lot of people do try and use, like, say, cotton pads now or take the makeup off rather than makeup wipes. So I feel like this is a really good little investment. And it's so soft as well. Then we're going to go in with number 22. And in 22 we get some rose gold eyelash curlers. I mean, these don't ever come in wrong either. Then let's go down to 23. This one's a heavy one. This is crazy. In number 22 we get a candle. A Ted Baker candle. And this one says it's the rose and cassis. Now, if you're anything like me, and I mean obsessed is probably the right word, obsessed with candles, then this is perfect. I love a candle, especially burning it in winter time, autumn time, I mean all the time. How gorgeous is this? So it's a shiny black candle holder, and then it's got the rose gold logo on here. And yeah, it's just a mini little candle, but so good. Then, are we ready? Last but not least, number 24. It's the biggest one in the calendar. It's this one just on the bottom here. I haven't seen what's in it, and I still don't know what's in it. In number 24 we get a full size body wash, and this one is the violet and bergamot one as well. So I have to search to see how much this is full price, and it's £6.80 on the Boots website right now. So if you take that into consideration with the £45 that I've paid for the calendar, that is really, really good. And I can definitely say that the body washes are incredible. So that is all 24 calendar doors open. I have popped them all back in there. I have to say, guys, like, I am so impressed with this calendar. Unbelievably impressed. I feel like I've never had an advent calendar with a hairbrush in, a candle, a makeup pad remover. Like, the fact that I got a bronzer, highlighter and a blusher in a little palette, like, there was so much a variety. And I feel like last year there was a lot of like repetitive products, as in not the same product but it would be the same scent, but like as the body wash, as a shower gel, which I think they have done this year but not as much by far. And I also have to say that I just love that they've put in other products that are like beauty products but not just shower gels and sprays. Honestly, like, I can't say how happy I am. Like, I would have paid more for this calendar without a doubt. So £45 I think is really, really good value for what you get, and obviously bearing in mind that it's Ted Baker, so you always will pay that bit extra as opposed to if it was a non-branded calendar. You also got a purse in there as well, which I've just remembered, which is amazing. I feel like for me it was the little bronzer palette. highlighter and blusher, and also the candle. They were my absolute favourites. So yeah, let me know what your favourites were down below in the comments, and let me know what your thoughts are on this year's calendar, and if you're going to buy it as well, because like I say, I really would recommend it. You've seen the products, they are incredible. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below as well. If there is any other beauty advent calendars that you would like me to test, then please leave it down below in the comments and I'll happily have a little look. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!